Gulf of Mexico oil spill occurred on April 20, 2010. Also at this time, passengers in the 2010 Polish Air Force Tu-154 crashed. Underwater cameras revealed that a BP pipe was leaking oil and gas on the ocean floor 42 miles off the coast of Louisiana. The rig was located 4,993 feet below the surface. On the night of April 20, 2010, a surge of natural gas blasted through a concrete core installed by a contractor to seal the well for later use. Both cores were too weak to withstand pressure that was needed to seal the rig. As a result, the natural gas traveled up the deep water rig's riser to the platform where it exploded, only the beginning of this disaster. By the time the well was capped on July 15, 2010, 4.9 million barrels of oil had leaked into the Gulf. BP has taken responsibility for the accident. They're required to pay for most damage that occurred. Many people were affected by this disastrous oil spill, 11 people dying and 17 were seriously injured. One-third of federal waters in the Gulf were closed to fishing. Beaches were highly affected by the petroleum, and the wildlife in the area of the oil spill was greatly affected. Turtles smothered in oil were washing up on beaches. Scientists have discovered pelicans who are nesting are laying eggs that contain chemical compounds from petroleum. Chemistry plays a very active role in the Gulf of Mexico oil spill. BP used a dispersant called Corexit. Corexit contains a surfactant and a solvent. One end is in charge of grabbing an oil molecule, the other a water molecule. When the surfactant reaches an oil-watery area, it lowers the tension that keeps the two substances separate, playing a huge role in the cleanup of the Gulf of Mexico oil spill.